Did you know 10,000 Greek soldiers once fought their way out of the heart of the Persian Empire with no maps, no supplies, and enemies everywhere? In 401 BCE, 10,000 Greek mercenaries marched deep into Persia to help Prince Cyrus steal his brother's throne. But when Cyrus died in battle, the Greeks were trapped. They stood alone, 1,000 miles from home, surrounded by the world's largest empire that wanted them dead. Their generals were murdered during fake peace talks. Panic spread through the ranks. Then a young soldier named Xenophon stepped up. He organized the greatest fighting retreat in history. For months, they battled through frozen mountains and hostile tribes. Persian arrows rained down as they crossed icy rivers. Men died daily from cold, hunger, and constant attacks. But Xenophon kept them moving. When they finally reached a hilltop and saw the Black Sea, 10,000 voices roared, "Thalassa, Thalassa, the sea, the sea!" They had walked out of hell itself. This impossible march proved Greek tactics could beat any enemy and inspired Alexander the Great's future conquests.